Hey YouTube, so today we're going to unbox this Eufy Smart Scale P2. For me, this is a replacement for a long-standing, maybe 10-year-old Fitbit Aria. The current Fitbits basically only do Bluetooth syncing, and that's not going to fly for me. So I wanted to find a current scale for a relatively good price that basically did Wi-Fi sync, and this one happens to do Bluetooth sync as well. This has other cool features like IPX5 water resistance, all the good stuff. But really, I'm looking for something that can track my weight, put it on the app, and sync automatically without me having to bust out my phone and do Bluetooth syncing. So here we are. In addition, my Fitbit Aria is measuring weight a little bit off, and I don't know what's going on with it, but basically I think it's just wear and tear. So I think the spring or scale mechanism inside is just simply too old. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this scale with the Fitbit Aria right next to it with a weight that I have, power blocks in this case, and I'll show it to you. So it looks pretty straightforward. Yep. Says don't put it on a carpet because carpet has a little bit of sponginess to it, so you want it on a flat surface. Don't wear socks because basically it can't transmit the signal through your feet. It needs to have skin contact. Yep. You can be a little bit wet on the scale, but make sure you wipe it off, but don't be fully dripping from the shower. Basically, it'll mess with the readings. Here it is. Woo-wee. That looks nice. Glass top, metal contacts for your feet. Display is in the middle. Battery is on the back. Battery compartment, excuse me. Okay, what else is in the bag? Well, what else is in the box? What looks like to be a measuring tape and a manual, and that's it. Just a little bit of packaging to protect the item itself, and that's it. You'll notice here actually on this battery compartment there is a little bit of rubber on this. I'm guessing to make sure there's a tight seal if it ever gets a little bit of wetness in it. Pretty easy. So it does work, just applying pressure from my hands. It's pretty easy. That's great. This is what a Fitbit Aria looks like. Pretty similar in size. Fitbit is noticeably actually thicker. You'll see here. This is the Eufy. The Fitbit. You'll see the Fitbit has this like bulbous kind of construction. I guess just a design element. But I'll show something here. So this actually uses double A's as opposed to triple A's for the Eufy. I personally prefer double A's because I just have a ton of these end loops in stock in my closet, so that's just one thing I have to stock up on the rechargeable triple A's. Same kind of deal here with the rubber feet. Kind of rubberized feet here as well. All right. So this one should be 30 pounds. So let's put that right in the middle. Move this a little bit down so maybe you can see. So this says 28.8. Interesting. So is power blocks wrong or is Eufy wrong? All right. Fitbit is sensing. Step off. Okay, we'll get off. Thinking. 28.9. They're very comparable. Okay. It's kind of interesting that Fitbit decided to show the semi-correct weight today, but I've seen it jump anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds. And so, as I'm just trying to remain healthy, track my own weight, but also have my toddler step on it and make sure that she can just show her weight progress as she's going from 3 to 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 age. So that's basically what I'm trying to do here with a smart scale that can track multiple people, and I think this is going to fit the bill. So that was a quick unboxing, a quick test. Don't know what the discrepancy is with the weight, but basically this is supposed to be 30 pounds. These are registering about 28.8, 28.9 pounds. This is a little iffy here and there, but ultimately this was, I want to say, high 70s, 80s, give or take. Of course, you can find some deals online, of course, but I think this is going to be a pretty good brand. I have some of their cameras recreationally for baby monitors. So, hey, looking forward to having this scale integrate to my household. So, thanks for watching. That was a quick unboxing, quick comparison in terms of weight accuracy for the Eufy versus the Fitbit Aria that is about 10 years old. So, let you know if I find out anything new about it, but hopefully those are helpful for your purchase. See you. Have a good one.